Hi, it's Tony. You're in Pop Pop's workshop, and we are doing a dust collector upgrade. So we had been using a shop vac. We've switched over to a small Wen dust collector. We've even mounted it outside the shop. So follow along, watch a quick few steps, what we plan on doing for other dust collection, trying to incorporate everything, see if we succeed. All right, so we figured it out. That hose, I think it's 1 7/8. We'll drill a hole there big enough to carry that hose as well as the power cord for this shop vac, which will plug in right there. And then the dust topper and shop vac will go underneath here. Those have obviously had to come out. And that will be the primary dust collector for the miter saw. Then we've got our jet dust collector cyclone there and our Wen dust collector out there. And that will take care of things like, I've still got to figure out how to do dust collection with the bandsaw, maybe a little scoop or something over here for the little drill press. But that will be also our primary dust collection for the planer, the disc spindle or the belt spindle sander, the table saw, and any hand sanding that goes on up here will be taken care of that way as well. So that's where we're at in the dust collection world, and hopefully that'll take care of most of it. All right, so there you have it. We've got a major upgrade between the shop vac we were using and the Wen that we now have. It's a great little unit. As you saw me turn it on, really kind of pulled that cyclone right over there. So I'm sure I need to maybe make an adjustment there, maybe some hard pipe to kind of hold it where it's at, and then the extended pipe elsewhere. And some mag fits from the Woodcraft would be handy too. That's the one thing I've learned working at the Woodcraft. You're never done with dust collection, as is evidenced by the bits and bobbles I'm probably going to have to buy to get the miter saw fully going for that. And over here with the bandsaw and the drill press, we're just going to have to keep adding pieces as it goes along. But I really think that Wen is going to be up to the task for what we do here. Maybe have to change it or add in a second one if we put in a CNC, but that's down the road and we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. So thanks for following along in our little upgrade to our shop dust collection. Hopefully it's given you some ideas on dust collection in your shop. I'll put a link to that Wen in the description if you're curious about which one we've got. Maybe it works in your shop. But thank you for watching. I really appreciate that you've taken your time to watch what we're doing in the midst of all the hubbub here, changes to our life. But so far, so good. And we're looking forward to making some more progress down the road with recovery. So thank you again for your support. And remember, You can do this.